Welcome to the FormPipe software video demonstration of the LaserNet solution for Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 from the administrator's point of view. In this video, we will show how to add and activate an SSRS report to the LaserNet solution, show how you can control how documents should be distributed, how you can add additional data with just one click, how to add and activate an SSRS report. From within Exapter, select the LaserNet menu and then Reports. Select the report you want to work with from the Report Names drop-down list. In this case, we select the Sales Confirm report. Select a report design and then activate the report. From the top menu, select Overlays. On each report, you can control the graphic elements, like logo and frames, etc. Each element is done in Microsoft Publisher, Word, or any tool familiar to you. In this case, I add two different overlays containing company information in English and Danish. I use the Language ID field from the Cust Confirmed Your table to control when I want to add the English or Danish overlay. Finally, I add some frames around the item lines. We are now able to print a sales confirmation. So let's have a look at how the report looks now. Instead of the regular Exapter screen option, we select LaserNet screen. Then, the LaserNet connector generates an XML file with the report data and sends it to the LaserNet server that does the design, and then creates a PDF that Exapter will collate and show on the screen. Now, we will show how you can control the distribution of the business documents. Go back to the LaserNet menu and then select Report. Select the report you want to edit, and then select Destinations from the top menu. First, we will make a rule that looks for an email address on the sales order. If there is an email, we will email a PDF with the sales confirmation to the email address located on the sales order. There are 4 different options to locate an email. If a specific customer number is selected, you can use the Contact Person menu to pinpoint a contact person. Within the Contact Person menu, you can also select a contact with a specific job title or job description. If you already have a field on the report with the email address, then you can use From Report. In this case, we use the option From Code. From the Value selector, we select the Sales table first, and then the email field. On each email rule, we are able to customize the outgoing mail subject and mail body in different languages. We can use Exapter's fields as variables in both the subject and body. Here is a sample of the English language mail subject and body. You can add all the languages that Exapter has, and then customize each individual language mail subject and body. You can have multiple rules on each report. We have added an additional email rule that is looking for a customer contact person with a job title called LaserNet_confirmation. Now we will add an FTP rule. The rule is applied for customer account DE001. Meaning that this customer will now receive the sales confirmation as an EDE file on their FTP site. A specific customer account or customer group rule will have higher priority than the All rule. It is possible to search for more than one rule. In this way, a customer can receive both an EDI file on their FTP site and have an email with a PDF attached. In order to activate the destination rules, when you post a document manually or through a batch job, you have to select Use Predefined Destinations from the LaserNet print option. In the default destination, you have the option to select what should happen with the document if no rules apply. Normally, you will select a printer if you configure a batch job. In this case, there was an email address on the sales order. Because of our first rule, the document was email. Please notice our Exapter fields are added into the mail subject and body. The next topic on the agenda is to demonstrate how easy it is to add additional data with just one click. We will also show you how easy it is to add a label and adjust the report layout in LaserNet. Basically, you can add additional data from any screen inside Exapter. Here, we want the transactions code on the item line on the Sales Confirm report. Simply right-click on the wanted field and select Record Info, and then Add to Report. From the Sections drop-down list, you simply select where you want to add the field. This list is coming from the AOT. Give the element a name. This is saved in the XML file going to the LaserNet server. Now we go to the LaserNet developer in order to change the report layout and update the LaserNet server with the new layout. Simply select the Rearrange tool and then click on the element name. Place the data on the layout side by using drag and drop. When done, save the report and update the LaserNet server. You don't have to compile or deploy anything within Exapter. Now you can go back and test the new layout by printing to the LaserNet screen. Next step is to add a label. Select the LaserNet menu and Reports. Locate the report you want to edit and select Elements from the top menu. Locate the section where you want the label and click New. In the Expression field, select Label. Search for the label text that you want and then select the label that matches your wanted text. When this is added, our style sheet is updated and the label is added to the XML file without touching the SSRS report. Next step is to add the label to the report using LaserNet Developer. Again, select the Rearrange tool and select the element with the label and place it by drag and drop. Use the tools from the top menu to right-align the label. Because of the missing space, we decide that the label should wrap into 2 lines. We also make it bold, like the rest of the labels. When we have updated the LaserNet server, we are now ready to see the result in Exapter. We print the confirmation again to the LaserNet screen. Now, we have added the transaction code, plus the label, and expanded the report with an extra column in the item section. If you want to receive more info or book a technical demo, please contact sales.lasernet@formpipe.com or visit www.lasernetdynamics.com for more information and videos.